Welcome to WebStylePress. How to unpublish a WordPress site or how to hide WordPress site while editing. You can create WordPress site on localhost in your PC offline, but some features require site to be online. If your site is not ready, you don't want to expose unfinished site to people or search engines, but you still want to edit it. So here is how you can edit an unpublished WordPress website online. This is my website. It's live. If I open it in incognito, I can still see it without being logged in. I'm not logged in here. So the site is still visible to public. Here is how I will unpublish it for a logged out user. Go to plugins and search for coming soon. And you will see many plugins like coming soon page, minimal coming soon page, light start, maintenance mode, coming soon page, maintenance mode, maintenance. You can use any one of these plugins. I will select this. Basically use any plugin that allows coming soon mode or maintenance mode. Let's activate it. Now from here I can activate maintenance mode or coming soon mode. Let's activate maintenance mode. And that's it. After I have activated this maintenance mode, I can click set up a maintenance mode page button. Here I can choose from any of the available templates or I can create my own page. I will select this. Save. And now if I will view my website in incognito mode, I won't be able to view my website. It says down for maintenance. But here I am logged in. I will close this page. As a logged in user, I will be able to use the site, edit the site, view changes and do all sorts of stuff as I do normally. I am able to reload the page and here it says maintenance mode active. I can edit this page using Elementor or any page builder that we have. But here in incognito mode or for general public, the site is not available. And if I log out, I'll still be able to access WP admin page to log back in to make changes to this site. Let's say here in incognito, if I type wp-admin, I'll be able to log in to the website. And here I am in. And I can view the website now. But if I log out, I won't be able to view the website because now it's in maintenance mode for public. And once the changes are done, I can go back here or I can click here, maintenance mode active. That will bring me to this page and I can deactivate maintenance mode to publish the site again. So once the changes are done, I can deactivate maintenance mode or coming soon mode to bring back site to live. And everybody will be able to view the site again. Reload the page and the site is back. So this is how you can unpublish a WordPress site for public and still edit it as an admin. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.